Hello to my queens. Let's talk about something that affects more couples than you might think: sexless marriages. I know it can feel awkward or uncomfortable to discuss, but it's important. Believe it or not, there are married couples who don't have sex. And if that describes your marriage, don't settle, queens. You know I am all about having a thriving marriage. First, let's acknowledge that sex is a vital part of marriage. It's not just about physical pleasure, but emotional connection and intimacy. God created sex for marriage, and it's meant to be a beautiful experience shared between partners. If you're in a sexless marriage, the first step is to identify the problem. Is it stress, lack of time, physical health issues, emotional disconnection? Take a moment to really think about what's causing this gap. Once you've identified the issue, it's time to take action. Communication is key. Sit down with your partner and have an open, honest conversation about your feelings and needs. It might be uncomfortable at first, but it's crucial for both of you to understand each other's perspectives. If one person is the cause, it's unfair to the other. Marriage is a partnership, and both partners need to be willing to work on the relationship. If you're struggling to communicate, consider seeking help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide a safe space for you to express your feelings and work through issues together. Now let's talk about rekindling that spark. Sometimes it's about finding ways to bring excitement and intimacy back into your life. Plan date nights, spend quality time together, and don't be afraid to try new things in the bedroom. It might feel awkward at first, but rediscovering each other can be incredibly rewarding. Remember, a thriving sex life doesn't happen overnight. It takes effort, patience, and a willingness to grow together. But when both partners are committed, it can lead to a deeper, more fulfilling connection. So don't give up. Your marriage is worth fighting for. Take the first step today and open up the lines of communication. With time and effort, you can bring a thriving sex life back into your marriage. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're not alone in this journey. We are our sisters' keepers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and advice. Stay connected and take care of each other. See you next time.